Hi Jana, I'm making this video to help you to be able to maintain the back end of your website, to do the modifications you need for your group special page, and delete them when they come expired and things like that. Hopefully this will help you become familiar enough with the back end that you'll be able to take care of this with no problems. And I apologize for the audio. I bought a new microphone to do this and then it was faulty when I went to use it, so hopefully you'll be able to understand me. Okay, the first thing you're going to do is go into your website, and then you are going to put a // at the end of your website there, and then type in WP-admin. It will bring you to the login screen for WordPress, which is what your site is built in. It'll look just like this. I am not going to log in here with your password and username, but I will email that to you separately so that when you're ready to log in, you will have that separately. You'll just go ahead and put that information in, and then it will log you in. Okay, I have logged in, and this is the way the screen will appear when you come in. And as you can see, this will be your back end here for your pages. Your dashboard up here is the home for your WordPress admin area. Pages will be the area that you will need to go to mostly, and we will be using the media as well. The rest of these things here you will not need to worry about. They have settings and tools and stuff that reflects the rest of your website, but hopefully you won't ever have to mess with those. Okay, right now we're going to go ahead and you can see the pages here. This is your 5 existing pages you have on the website, and under each one as you go through it you can see the menu is Edit, Quick Edit, Trash, or View. So you can do editing by clicking on that. The quick edit you won't want to worry about because that is not something that you're going to need. You're going to do the regular edits. If your page is garbage and you want to be rid of it, you trash it and then it's gone. And the viewing, of course, to see how the page looks, let's go ahead and click the viewing and open it in a new tab so that you're not having to backtrack on your browser to get to where you're at. That way you can have 2 screens open at the same time to be able to work on it. So let's go ahead and take a look at that page. And as you can see, let me refresh that. As you can see, the specials page doesn't have anything in here. And let me just show you how we would put something in there. I did have something in there before, but I believe I took it out. So let's just edit that real quick on the edit menu. And I will type something in here. Oops. Testing this box. And then everything that you put in here, when you're ready to do it, you're going to go ahead and update it over here. You hit the update button or the publish button. And when you first come in, you're going to make sure that you're in the visual box, not the text box. The text box, let me just show you how it looks. It has a different menu across here, and this is more for HTML coding. If you're using that and you needed to do something in HTML, you would do it through this box. Visual box is what you see is what you get. And it has the easier tabs to follow up here. So we're going to go ahead and just write text in this box. I'm going to update that. And then if we go back to the page and look at it here and refresh the page, and you can see where it says text in this box. So let's go ahead and go back to the page. And so if you want to do a special here, and I did make a dummy one just to show you, Calling America Sailing, and whatever it is you want to put in there for it. We're going to put that in there, and then we're going to add some media. And to add your media, you can do it through this menu here. If you had like a whole bunch of pictures you wanted to put on here or things like that, you could go ahead and do it through the library, or you can do it right here on the fly. We're going to go ahead and put add media here, and then it brings us to our media page where you can drop files. If you had photos on your desktop, whatever, you can just drag and drop them in here, or click the Select Files button. And I have got, I don't know what I want. Okay, I have got a file here with a sample page that I made, just a dummy one just to show you how to do it. So you'll have your PDF file of your special, if you want to put a PDF up there. Navigate to it through this Select Files link. Click on the file you want to upload. Go ahead and say Open. And it's going to bring it into your media library. And as you can see, this is the stuff that is already existing on your website, so there are different things. So we've got it here. And this is just a shortcut way of doing it. If we had loaded this up separately, then I would just go on and click it. We've already got it clicked there. So then we're going to go ahead here, down in the bottom right-hand corner, and put Insert Into Page. So now you can see there's the link to that image. I'm going to put this cursor right in the middle here, and I'm going to enter that down there so it'll space it out in a separate line so that the text will be above the PDF link. So then I got to go over here onto the right. I'm going to update that, and then we're going to look at it in the Group Specials page. Refresh because we've made a change. So now you can see that this Holland America Sailing 2015 with the text that I put in, and then you can click on this PDF, whatever you had on your desktop, and like I said, this was just a dummy one that I had put in there just to show you how it works. So that's how that would come about. And this text here, of course, is just like any text editor. You can go in here and make it bold. You can make it larger text. You can do different things with this to make it better looking. Okay, you can also add videos in here. So let's go ahead. I'm going to just leave that there. And then let's say that I wanted to add a video down here, and we'll put a YouTube video in here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and add media again. And okay, I didn't put the video in here. Let me pause this real quick. Okay, so if you have it already in your library, that's fine. If you want to insert it from the URL, for example, from YouTube, then you're going to click on Insert from the URL there. And I'm going to go over to YouTube here, and let's put in a video. Let's do how to pack a suitcase. And it could be a, it could be a cruise line video. It could be whatever you want. But if you had something like this you want to put in there, so let's go ahead and pick up this one here. I have looked at this one before. It's kind of short and it's cute. So let's put this video on there. So we're going to click on that video. Then all you're going to do is you're going to copy. I'm going to stop this as soon as it starts. Okay, I'm stopping that. Okay. We don't want the ad. Okay, so we're going to click on the URL up on in the address line, copy it, bring it back to the edit page, and we're going to paste it into there. So here is the URL from YouTube, how to pack a suitcase, and then we're going to go back down here to the bottom right corner, insert into page. And I didn't put a header above that, so I probably, well, actually it's got a header on there. So let's just see how that looks like it is. So let's go ahead and update it there. And then click on the page itself. And we're going to go back because we were on the PDF. So I'm going to go back to here, and then we're going to refresh the page. And here's the video. And if we press the video here, it'll just be the video.
Today, to celebrate my appointment as efficiency engineer at Holiday Inn Express, I'm going to show you my favourite packing tips. Use portable hanging shelves to save on packing time.
Okay, I'm going to go ahead and pause that. Anyway, that's how you would put a video in. So here you've got your Holland America Sailing. And of course you would put more information than just that. You want to give them, you know the drill, put something on there that will make them want to click on the link and get the information from your PDF. And the video is just something just to show you how you can add something into the website. You would do the same thing with any photographs you wanted to do. You would just add them into your media from your edit page. Go into the media here, go into the library, and it will give you the existing things that are right now in your file, including like that video we just put on there is going to be in here. The PDF from Holland America, all of that stuff is going to be there now. So if you wanted to add stuff, if you were working on the page and you have 3 or 4 different things, you could certainly put them on here first, and then when you go to put the media into your page, it'll be faster to put in because it's already in your library instead of having to go to your computer to do it. But either way works. So just remember, you go into your specials page, do your edit, put what you want into the box, right into here. Make sure you do an update of it. You can always check it here, and then you're good to go. You can also do a preview if you don't want to change it yet. There is a way to preview the changes up here, but I've found for me, it just depends what you're doing. You can certainly do it however you want. I like to just do the updates, and then I just erase them and start over again if I like, then I know it's done, because I have done stuff before, and then I forgot to do the update, and then I thought it was live, and it was not. So I'm going to go ahead and take these things off of here now. I'm going to delete them. So they'll be off your page. I'm going to update that. Well, I'll just leave it here. Just so that's there for you. Okay, then I'm going to update that. Then, of course, if you go back to the page, your group specials page, and I do a refresh, I'm just going to see the text that says add specials into this area. Everything else is gone. So let's go back to our edit page again. And of course, you can certainly do anything you want in here. It's very easy to work with. Just remember to do your updates and make sure you check it. If you're putting links in there, you can also do a photograph through your media. If you have a photograph, just like I did on your other pages, you can actually take the photograph into the library, and I'll just show you real quick what one of those looks like. You can add your information to link it to the photograph. So let's click on, let's go ahead and click on your survey form, just for an example. Then you can see over here, this is where the link is that's to your survey form. You can attach that to that photograph here. There's the title, there it is, and you just upload it to your page, you're done. Same thing, easy to do. You can delete it the same way. So that is how you would put a URL attached to a photograph in your media library. And just always remember, when you're working on it, keep a page open that you're working on so that you can look at it, open it in a separate window. You can always get back. When you're logged into the admin screen, you're going to have this bar across here, which you would not see if you were just the general public viewing your page. So this is just when you're in the WordPress admin. You can always get back to your dashboard by clicking that bar there. It'll bring you back into the dashboard. And then now we've got two of them open if you needed to have something else two open at once. And just remember, your pages are here, media to add things, dashboard brings you back to the home where you can see everything kind of in a glance. And that's basically it. It's not hard to do, but you do have to be careful because you can accidentally screw stuff up and have it disappear and not be able to find it again. So give me a call or send me an email if you have any questions, and I'll be happy to help you with that. Otherwise, good luck, and I hope it works out good for you. Take care.